All right, guys, it's here. Tony Maritato. Welcome to the Total Knee Replacement Support Group YouTube channel. So this is the JAS knee stretcher that we've been waiting for. I am recording a video right now with the help of a patient who's struggling to get past 100 degrees of knee flexion. This device is a progressive, the way they describe it is progressive static stretch. What happens is this is a device that my client's going to use 3 times a day for 30 minutes. It's designed to increase the range of motion slowly, comfortably, without the added risk of immobilization under anesthesia. So let's take a look. All right, so let's see what we've got. This is the first time we're opening the box. We've got some paperwork information. Here is the device. Here we go. Now this is custom fit to the individual patient. It's a combination of some really heavy duty plastic, some foam padding on the inside to make it a little more comfortable, and all of this is metal. This is heavy duty. This is some serious quality. Now this is a rental unit. This is something that we're renting on a monthly basis as needed. When we're done, we'll return it to the company. But in the series of videos that I'm recording, I'm going to show you how this device works, and we're going to use it with an actual patient. I took range of motion measurements on my patient this morning. She was at a maximum 100 degrees of flexion and 17 degrees of extension. The goal is 0 degrees of extension and 120, 125 degrees of flexion. So let's see how this device works. Guys, join me in the next video. I'll show you how we set it up on a real patient.